Okay, this is a little demo video of the ESP32 CAN reader that I built. It's a very simple project, anybody can do this. This is a 2005 Suzuki Alto with a K6A Suzuki engine with an automatic transmission. It's a little project we did. It's a beater car, and the speedometer is pretty basic, even though this car has a full ECU and everything. Even though it's an older engine, it's a 2010 model engine, I believe, but still it's modern enough that it should show fuel average and stuff, but it does not show anything. So I built this. This is a 0.96 inch OLED display with a button that changes the gauges, because the display is so small that I have to display one parameter at a time. Anyways, I will show you guys a little demo. So I'm going to turn the ignition on, and you get a Suzuki logo. It beeps 4 times to as a greeting, and the Lord Alto logo, which I custom designed. So the first gauge is the speed, then you have RPM, then you have trip meter, voltages. The fuel pump is running, so the voltages are low. Then you have engine temperature, air fuel ratio. This is the long-term fuel average, which if I hold this button, the fuel average will reset, and that's the instant fuel average, and that's it. So let me show you guys. Once I turn the car on, okay, you get the boot logos with the beep, and every time you turn the car on, it will give you a engine cold warning, because, well, the engine is cold. That's why it's a 7-second or 5-second warning with the beep. And there you go, the system is running. There's no delay, there's no connection or anything. It's a wired system, so it's very quick. It's instant, as you can see. As soon as I accelerate, the values change. It's very instant. Then you have the other parameters are working, as you guys can see, the fuel ratio and everything. And one fun thing is that obviously it won't show me the instant fuel average. It will show me how much fuel the car is using on idle. It's pretty sweet. If I start riding the car, this will switch automatically to instant fuel average instead of idle fuel use. So it's a very neat feature, not showing me the liters per hour. Another feature is that if I rev the car over 2000 right now, look at that, it starts showing me an engine cold warning with a beep, and it will do this every time until the engine temperature is over 65. So if I do this again, it will give me an engine cold warning, just so when the engine is cold, you won't ride too hard. You know, it's a little reminder that ride slowly, because I mean, it's healthier for the engine. And yeah, that is all the features. It has another warning where if the handbrake is actually up or down, you know, if you leave the handbrake up and you start riding, it will give a warning, a warning, a text will appear with beeps until you pull the handbrake down. So that's another neat feature, especially for new drivers. It's a pretty sweet feature. This car is very old and very basic, so none of these features are already in the car. I had to add them. Most modern cars have them nowadays. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's another warning: if the engine temperature is over 96, it will start beeping and it will start showing engine overheating. So that's another feature. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have the code and everything on GitHub. You can change the code to run it your way. You can use AI to change the code and everything. Obviously you can use more displays or bigger displays, but I just wanted to get the work done. It's a beater car, and I think that it's neat enough. The ESP32 is mounted behind the radio, and the CAN port is down there. As you guys can see, this is a CAN high and low wire. And yeah, that's the whole system. Thank you.